Welcome back, traders. In today's video, we're diving into a powerful tool that can enhance your trading strategy, the SMI Ergodic Indicator. We'll cover everything you need to know about it, from understanding what it is, to setting it up on TradingView, to interpreting its signals for optimal trading. Let's get started. What is the SMI Ergodic Indicator? The SMI Ergodic Indicator stands for the Stochastic Momentum Index Ergodic. It's a momentum oscillator that helps traders identify the direction and strength of market trends. Unlike traditional oscillators, it offers a smoother and more refined perspective, making it easier to spot potential buy and sell signals. How to set it up in TradingView. Open TradingView and select your desired chart. Click on Indicators at the top of the screen. In the search bar, type SMI Ergodic and select it from the list. The indicator will now appear on your chart below the price action. You'll see three main parameters: long length, short length, and signal. Best settings for different time frames. For different trading styles, you'll want to adjust the settings of the SMI Ergodic Indicator. For day traders or short-term trading, use a shorter period, like 5 for the short length, 20 for the long length, and 3 for the signal. This makes the indicator more responsive to quick market changes. For swing traders or medium-term trading, a setting of 14 for the short length, 20 for the long length, and 5 for the signal offers a balanced view, capturing significant price moves while filtering out minor noise. For long-term investors, consider using a period of 21 for the short length, 30 for the long length, and 9 for the signal. This smooths out fluctuations and highlights longer-term trends. Interpreting buy and sell signals. A buy signal occurs when the SMI line crosses above the signal line, especially from a lower range below the zero line. It indicates a potential upward trend. Conversely, a sell signal occurs when the SMI line crosses below the signal line, particularly from an upper range above the zero line. It suggests a possible downward trend. Combining with other indicators. The SMI Ergodic Indicator becomes even more powerful when combined with other indicators. For example, pairing it with the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, can enhance its accuracy. If the SMI gives a buy signal and the MACD also shows a bullish crossover, that is when MACD line crosses above signal line from below. This confirms the strength of the upward move, giving you greater confidence in your trade. Risk management. Risk management is crucial when using any indicator. Always set stop-loss orders to protect your capital. For instance, place a stop-loss just below a recent swing low for buy trades or above a recent swing high for sell trades. This strategy minimizes potential losses if the market moves against you. Okay, that's it for the SMI Ergodic Indicator. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. For a more in-depth info on this indicator, visit our website at brokercheck.co.za. Thanks for watching and happy trading.